It is therefore my view, and I hold, that quite apart from contempt of court proceedings, this court must ensure that its orders are complied with. The matter before me is no longer a dispute between the parties, but has now reached the level where judicial powers are on trial, and the dignity of this court is being questioned. This court cannot just fold its arms while the respondents continue to cut work on its orders. In the premises, I make the following orders. First, second, and third respondents have by their conduct been contemptuous of the orders of this court, and they are convicted accordingly. The said respondents will appear before this court tomorrow at 10 a.m. for sentencing and further orders. In default of their appearance, this court will proceed to mete out appropriate sentences, their absence notwithstanding. It is hereby directed that the petitioner is not under any circumstances to be removed from the jurisdiction of this court. Instead, the petitioner is to be unconditionally released forthwith to appear before this court tomorrow at 10 a.m. This order binds not only the respondents, but also the officers under them in whose custody the petitioner has been placed. The petitioner's lawyers are to be granted access to the petitioner. I, however, direct that unless the petitioner is released forthwith, said respondents will not be granted a right of audience by this court tomorrow, and those will be the orders for now. Thank you.